How can you get an extra 190 leads in the next 30 days for your real estate investor business? I'm glad you asked. Hey guys, it's Dustin with ClicksGeek, and today I'd like to show you a campaign that is doing exactly that. Let's dive in. So we're going to review this campaign from a 30-day window. We're on this specific campaign, we're doing a $750 per day budget. Within that 30-day period, there's been 1,138 clicks, conversion rate of 16.7% with 190 conversions. And then a total acquisition cost of $78.34 per lead. So it's pretty awesome. With a total cost of $14,884.93. So this specific campaign, we're running both calls and we're running a lead gen form. So the consumer can fill out the form on the page on the lead gen on the actual landing page, or they can click to call or call from a landline, the actual number that's on the page there, and all that tracks back into this campaign so that it can be analyzed. So let's dive into the ad groups really quick. So what are ad groups? Ad groups are basically a categorization of the keywords. It allows you to make a bunch of different settings inside there, but then it also allows you to communicate the same message that the keywords that the consumer is actually searching in the ad itself. So buy my house, we buy house as is, companies that buy houses. So as you can see here, companies that buy houses, they would have this ad group would have all keywords that associate with that. And then inside of that, there would also be associated ads themselves that are communicating on that exact same thing as well. On this exact campaign, because it's so well dialed in, it is running at max conversion. So that's a great testament of how well this campaign is doing. Let's take a look at the actual keywords that we're running. Okay, so inside of here, we are running a good bit of broad match in order to gain a lot more reach. However, because we have so many negative keywords dropped in here, it is performing very, very well. Like I said, we have it dialed in very well. So a few ideas what we're running here: people that buy houses, fast house buyers, buy house fast, cash buyers for house, we buy homes as is. Very, very intent-based searches inside of this campaign. So if you enjoyed the video, please click the like button. I would greatly appreciate that. And if you're interested in seeing more videos like this one, please subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in having our team reach out to you and help you launch a campaign like this one, please connect by using the application link in the description below. Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.